Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a DKIM record in Google Workspace. This authentication method helps verify that emails sent from your domain are legitimate, improving deliverability and protecting against spoofing. First, head over to admin.google.com and sign in using your administrator account for your Google Workspace domain. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Google Admin Console dashboard. Look to the upper left corner and click on the menu icon, then select Apps from the options. This takes you to the section where you can manage all your Google Workspace applications. From here, click on Google Workspace to access the core services. You'll see several options appear, so go ahead and click on Gmail. This opens up all the settings specific to your domain's email configuration. Now locate and click on Authenticate Email. This is where you'll manage your email authentication protocols, including DKIM. In the selected domain menu, choose the domain you want to configure DKIM for if you manage multiple domains. Once selected, click Generate New Record. Google will prompt you to choose your DKIM key bit length. I recommend selecting 2048 bits if it's available, as it offers stronger security, though 1024 bits works fine too. After generating the key, Google will display your DKIM TXT record value, which is essentially your DKIM public key. Go ahead and copy this value. You'll need it in just a moment. Keep this window open or save the information somewhere accessible. Now open a new tab and sign in to your domain registrar or DNS hosting provider. This could be Namecheap, Cloudflare, GoDaddy, or wherever your domain's DNS records are managed. Navigate to your DNS settings or DNS management page. Here's where you'll add the DKIM record. Create a new TXT record. In the host or name field, enter the selector value shown in your Google Admin Console. It'll look something like selector1._domain key. Some providers may require you to enter the full domain name, like selector1._domain key.yourdomain.com. In the value or data field, paste the DKIM TXT string you copied from Google earlier. For TTL, you can use the default setting or set it to 3,600 seconds. Save the TXT record. DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so give it a few minutes. To confirm everything is working correctly, use a DKIM lookup tool to verify that the record is published and that the selector matches what Google expects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.